Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for always coming back. Today we'll be talking about some money mistakes you should avoid as you get older. So if this is the kind of content that you would love to see, kindly do not skip any part, watch till the very end, and do not watch without subscribing, guys. Click on the subscribe button down below to get subscribed and join my amazing family. Let's go right into today's video. Number one mistake to avoid is upgrading uh, your life instead of buying time. As you get older, the possibility of earning higher is there. So you should not be fully concentrated on upgrading your life, from one gadget to another, from one furniture to another. All those lifestyle upgrades that we do, especially in our homes and all that, and with our vehicles and all that. But you should really concentrate on buying time, which means saving more, investing more. That is going to be a life saving or a lifesaver for you as you get older. Number two, guys, is treating income as wealth or treating income good as growing your wealth. The higher you earn or the more you earn, it does not mean you are gaining more wealth. It's actually a fallacy to think that way. It's wrong. It's a mistake to think that the more you earn, the more you would be getting wealth. The more you earn is true, it helps you to get more money if you're financially literate, to invest more, save more. Income is what you have been spending, and wealth is what remains after you have spent. And so it's important that we know the difference between income or salary and wealth and do accordingly. Guys, overpaying for safety. A lot of, as you get older, you want to be, avoid risks and be safe. So taking precautionary or safety measures, and so we overpay for insurances and all that, but it shouldn't be the case. Overpaying for insurances, you can actually pay for them and pay the right amount and then use the other amounts for savings and investments to go your wealth. For mistake you can avoid is ignoring the cost of delay. If you delay in savings and investing in actually growing your wealth, you will have to pay higher amounts or higher contributions as you're nearing your retirement age or whenever you want to stop working. And so right now that you have time at your side, why don't you put in the monies, no matter how small? Start saving, start investing, most especially investing, no matter how small. Start investing now so that you do not have to pay more later. One mistake that people make as they grow older is confusing your home as an equity after retirement. It's good to have a home of your own, a roof over your head, but a lot of people make the mistake of thinking that your home is going to be an asset for you after you retire. I mean, after you retire, you still need money coming in because you still have to. A home is not an asset in the sense that it's a liability in the sense that you need maintenance. You need to maintain the home that you'll be living in. You'll be paying the bills, utility, water, light, maintenance, anything fixing that is or damage, you need to fix it. And so a home only becomes an asset when you rent it out and it's bringing in the cash flow, or you sold it and it brought in the money. But apart from that, if you're living in that home, do not confuse or do not think that don't be confused or think that your home will be an asset, because it's not going to bring in any money. You rather be spending money after you retire. Number six, guys, over relying on a single income source or stream. Do not make that mistake, especially while you're nearing your retirement age, because you definitely stop working one day. I mean, when you hit retirement, you stop working, but you still need the cash flow to live on. You still eat, you still need a roof over your head, you still need to pay your bills and all that. And so it's important that you have other sources of income that will be bringing in the cash flow. Number seven mistake you can make is using debt to maintain your image or your status in life. A lot of people go into debt, they go and borrow money they don't need to buy things they do not even want, to impress people who do not even like them. And so you because of societal pressure, you have maintain a certain lifestyle, and then you need money to, even if you don't have to go into debt or borrow money just to maintain that status or that image in the eyes of people or society, but it's not really worth it. People do not really care about you, and so it's important that live within your means and maintain frugality. Lastly, guys, avoiding the financial math. A lot of people are afraid to know how much they spend. I mean, looking at the figures, how much is in their accounts, especially in their savings accounts, because they do not want to face reality. But the more you avoid it, the more you have no idea as to, you will not be able to keep track of what you own as versus what you actually owe, your assets minus your liabilities. You'll not be able to know how much you are worth as you grow. But it's important you keep your eyes on the figures, constantly review or audit uh your wealth, I mean your finances, so that you have a fair idea of where you are. It's when you have information about where you are that you can progress and make changes that you need to make in order to be better or do well in your finances. Guys, if you've loved this content, can you give me a massive thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your family and friends? Click on the subscribe button down below. And do also check out my previous videos and watch out for the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Have a very great day. The Lord bless and keep us all. It's bye for now.